Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are safe at home. Children, did you get any prizes? Yes, I think many of you got the prizes. When do you get the prize? When you participate in any competitions or sports. Today, I am going to tell you an interesting story about a boy who is called as Jaffrey. The lesson name is 12 silver cups. 12 silver cups, not the teacups. These are the trophies. If you look into the characters in this lesson, Jaffrey, the hero of the main character of the lesson. Slow coach, the tortoise, and the Spot, the dog. These two are Jaffrey's friends. And Jaffrey's father and Jaffrey's mother, burglar and a burglar, and the police. Now, Jaffrey was a very splendid runner. Splendid means excellent runner in his running. Always he won the prizes for his running. One night, a burglar means thief, came into his house and stole all his cups. And father, while that time, what happened? No, his friend Spot started bark, began to bark. Daddy woke up. Whose daddy? Jaffrey's daddy woke up and he saw Jaffrey's trophies were gone. He followed a shadow, one dark shadow, into the garden, but the shadow was disappeared. Father rang up to the police. Police came and took all the notes. Notes means information about the incident, and asked great many questions about the incident, and he went away. Jaffrey was very upset. 2 weeks went by. Why he was upset? The police could not catch the thief, so he was very upset. After 2 weeks, again he lost one of his friend, slow coach, tortoise, and he searched all over the garden. He did not get back. Went to the mummy. Mummy, where do you think he can be? I have searched over every part of the garden, but I did not get it back. Then mummy said, I think your friend slow coach have escaped into someone else's garden. Go and see. Then another friend. Who is the another friend? Yes, the Spot, the dog. They both went for searching side of the field. There they found two burrowing a hole. Tortoise was there, and Jaffrey was very happy. He digged the hole gently. He took out the tortoise and he is cleaning the tortoise, slow coach. But the Spot kept digging the digging at the hole. Geoffrey came to see why the spot was digging. When he went and saw, surprisingly, children, he saw a tied up bag and his trophies, which was stolen by a burglar. And he was very happy when he got back his friend and the trophies. He took the tortoise in his hand and he put his sack over his shoulder and put all over his shoulder and shouting, I have got, and returned back home with bubbling joy. Children, this is the story about the Geoffrey. I think you have understood the lesson. After watching the video, take your textbook and read the lesson. If you want, again I will explain you through Google Meet. Thank you.